Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got a freebie alert. There are 2 free watch faces in the Gear Manager store on the homepage, worthy of a download, premium watch faces at that. So make sure you go download ASAP. It's for a limited time only. Cool? With that being said, let's check out these watch faces. Now, both watch faces that we're going to check out today are by SMZ, and the first one is called SMZ Knight Pro. It's an auto-changing 24-hour watch face. Very nice looking, and it looks premium, people. Now, in the always-on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look for the Gear 3, the Gear 2, the Gear Sport, the Galaxy Watch. And when the watch face is on, I like the layout, I like the design, I like the fact that you got your digital time going all the way across the watch. And up top, you're going to get your month, your date, your day. You're also going to get some shortcuts. You can go into your music, you can go into your weather, which I thought was pretty cool. Got a PM stamp. You can go into your calendar, set an alarm, text messages right here. You're going to go in and make a phone call from there. You got your recents right here. I'm telling you, this watch face gives you everything. You got your settings, so if you need to tweak your watch for any reason or go into power saving mode, you can right from the wrist, people. So I'm liking this look, and you get 24 different colors out of this, right? Double tap and just cycle through all the colors that this watch face has to offer, and whichever one you get to that's your favorite or that looks good to you, let it land. I like that one. I really like that one. So I think SMZ really did his thing with this watch face. He got out. I like it. All right, you all, that's going to be it for watch face number 1. Let's go ahead and check out watch face number 2. Watch face number 2. Now this one is called SMZ Paradox RD. It's a color changing watch face, and it's a 24-hour watch face at that. Very nice looking watch face too. And always on mode, you're pretty much going to get the same look. The colors are going to be different, but you're still going to get the same look. Now when the watch face is on, what I really like about the watch face is the background where you get your digital time at. I thought that looks really, really slick. Now you get your day, your date, your month up at the top. You also get, again, you can go to your music, your weather, your calendar if you choose to set an event. And you also got your alarm. Come here, you got your, of course, messages, make a phone call. You get all the same things you would on the first one. And I really like that background. You can customize the color of the time. Very nice. Thought this was different. Very different. What do you think, people? Is it worth the download? Somebody told me today, free is always good. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all again at the next video. Take care.